Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is US Marine Corps deploys LMADIS light marine air defense integrated system counter-drone system aboard USS Makin Island as drone threat reshapes amphibious defense. The US Marine Corps 13th Marine Expeditionary Unit has fielded the light marine air defense integrated system aboard USS Makin Island. Marines immediately began integrating the counter-drone system into underway training off the California coast. Marines from the 3rd Low Altitude Air Defense Detachment, assigned to Marine Medium Tiltrotor Squadron 364, reinforced, used LMADIS Light Marine Air Defense Integrated System during simulated threat scenarios. The system is designed to detect, track, identify and defeat unmanned aircraft systems. The fielding reflects the Marine Corps response to the expanding use of drones in recent conflicts. LMADIS Light Marine Air Defense Integrated System packages electronic warfare, radar, sensing and communications capabilities onto two highly mobile vehicles. Drones are the biggest thing right now and a lot of people don't know the answer, said U.S. Marine Corps Lance Corporal Matthew Bass, a LAAD low-altitude air defense gunner attached to VMM 364, RAIN. The LMADIS Light Marine Air Defense Integrated System is that answer. LMADIS Light Marine Air Defense Integrated System consists of two ultralight tactical vehicles and is operated by 4 LAAD low-altitude air defense gunners. One vehicle performs command and control functions while directing the second vehicle to conduct electronic warfare attacks against UAS unmanned aircraft system threats. The system uses the Skyview MPV, 3 mine-protected vehicle Mark III sensor to detect unmanned aircraft at ranges of up to 3,000 meters. Depending on the detected frequency, the sensor can determine the UAS unmanned aircraft system group type and provide operators with the appropriate disabling code. After detection, an RPS-62 radar tracks the aircraft's movement and distance. For hemispheric radar panels provide 360-degree coverage by transmitting radio frequency signals and detecting their return from the target. LMADIS Light Marine Air Defense Integrated System also incorporates Link 16 communications to distribute information beyond the system itself. The connection allows Marines to provide real-time data to the ship or a command post. Once a target is identified, operators can employ the MFEWD multifunction electronic warfare dismounted portable electronic jammer. The system blocks hostile radio frequencies and communications, disrupting the control link between a drone and its operator. Breaking that link disables the unmanned aircraft and forces it away from its intended flight path. The capability gives the 13th MEU an electronic means of responding to drone threats during amphibious operations. The LMADIS Light Marine Air Defense Integrated System is perfect for the MEU, Bass said. ULTVs are extremely capable in rough terrain and they are quieter and easier to transport using our aircraft than other military vehicles. Mobility is a central feature of the system's use within a Marine Expeditionary Unit. Its lightweight vehicles can be moved by aircraft and rapidly deployed across difficult terrain. The combination of mobility, sensors and electronic jamming is intended to help the 13th MEU defend amphibious forces against UAS unmanned aircraft system threats. The recent training aboard USS Makin Island is integrating that capability directly into the unit's operations at sea. Please subscribe, like, share and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write at @Electronics Technology 50.